Hello everybody, G.I.A Automotive. I'm here doing a video on NORTHSTAR engine. I'm doing the water pump housing crossover. As you can see, I have pulled it apart from the engine, and what I want to show you and tell you is that this pulley here can stay in place. You have to obviously remove the fuel rail just to clear this line here. You can't get this out of the way without clearing this. And also the toughest screws are gonna be the one in the corner here and the one all the way on the other side. You see the two bolts still sticking on there, those will remain in there. And also what I wanted to tell you is that this water pump housing can stay in place. The last part to bring this whole thing out of the car is this rear line here with this hose and the clamp. I was gonna remove it, but what I noticed is that why remove it when I already have access to the gaskets, which is the whole purpose of removing this. So instead of just removing that last one, I'm just gonna let this thing hang like that and clean up the surface, the mating areas where they're gonna meet, and put some new gaskets and fix this leak that I had. Also, in case you're wondering where a freeze plug is, I popped the freeze plug on this. The freeze plug goes here. So instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace it with an aftermarket freeze plug instead of just trying to tap the old one back in there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy this expanding freeze plug. It's a nut and a bolt with a big rubber, looks like a washer, but it's basically what it does is once you squeeze it in there, you start tightening up on the bolt, and it will expand that black rubber gasket, and then it'll expand in here, which will then get tighter, and the freeze plug won't come out no more. So yeah. Also, on the back, in the back over here, there's a stud right there, a brass stud, and a bolt right in the back. That's